I'm hopefully a more compassionate physician as a result of having to go through a major health challenge. I'm Josh Logan. I'm a urologist, married to a wonderful wife, and together we have 4 sons and raising them in the wilds of Alaska. I've always been super active. I'm a runner, swimmer, lift weights, skiing in the winter, fishing and hunting in the summer and fall. 2012, I was diagnosed with aortic stenosis. Hearing I had this serious issue with my heart was frightening for me. I really kind of just felt invincible before that. And this was the first time I'd faced a challenge with regards to my health, and it was a big deal. I was asymptomatic for the next 10 years and just going on about my life and practice, and started to get a little bit winded with some of the hills I was running. And my cardiologist in Alaska is my good friend, and he always does me the courtesy of coming to my echocardiograms. And he saw one of the images and he got quiet, and I thought, man, this isn't good. And he said, man, it's worse. I was gonna have to have heart surgery. It was very scary. So my wife and I did our research and found Dr. Johnston. And so I came to Northwestern to get care with him. I knew from our first consultation it was a good fit. Heard things from him that I hadn't heard elsewhere. And everything was done via telemedicine. I had echocardiogram, stress echo, EKG, all this stuff was sent to him. He reviewed those things, and everything was very seamless and smooth. We flew into town a few days before to decide what type of surgery ultimately was appropriate for me. It was determined that I was a candidate for a mini thoracotomy. All I needed was the valve replaced. I did not want to do a mechanical valve because it committed me to lifelong anticoagulation. I just did not want to be out there on a blood thinner. Now the trade-off is that I'm gonna have to have another valve procedure at some point in my life, but I'll get 15, hopefully 20 years out of this valve. Traveling to the Bluhm Cardiovascular Institute was important for me because I could have gotten it in Alaska. There's great cardiac surgeons there, but Dr. Johnston is special. And so I came to Northwestern to get care with him. It's your heart. Make the right decision, not the convenient one. It's a really small price to pay for what you receive in return.